Hi guys, so welcome to this video. I'm going to be making some juice with these particular ingredients, alright? I think I'm going to call this juice C squared, and I'm going to call it that because I'm using cucumbers and celery. Now I'm also going to be using some limes, but these are just for taste. I want to cut the taste a little bit because the celery could be salty, could be that little pungent flavor that celery sometimes has. So I'm just going to toss in some limes and I'm going to see what that does. But I'm using these particular ingredients today because I want to detox my gut a little bit. So I'm using the celery for that, and the cucumber is for maximum hydration. My skin has been taking a hit lately, so I want to get some cucumbers in for my skin as well as hydration because I haven't been drinking the amount of water that I'm supposed to. So stay with me. We're going to have a great time. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start with my celery. I've cut it up nice and small so that it fits in the chute. Okay, taste test time. I do not think this is gonna be the sweetest, most flavorful, best juice I've ever had in my life. No, it's celery and cucumber. It's not meant to be, you know, a tropical paradise, okay? I know what this entails, but I'm gonna taste it anyway for you guys. Woo! That's sour, but hold on. Yep, it's definitely sour, but not like bad, but it's the lime that I taste. It's the lime, and I would rather taste the lime than I would really harsh celery. If you've had straight celery juice, it can be pretty harsh. So I'm not mad at this. I will be drinking it the rest of the week. So thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you here next time. Bye.